I'm Molly. I'm a full-time content creator and digital marketer in the slow fashion space. I want to share how I started following my dreams so you can too. Hello, my beautiful babies. Welcome to another Creative Girly vlog. In this video, I do some work from home in my fashion job. I'm also really working on growing this channel, and I think how I'm gonna do that is by using YouTube Shorts. I know that YouTube is putting a lot of budget behind this feature. Short form content is just where it is right now. I'm also really trying to embrace who I am and all my varied interests instead of blaming those things for why I haven't succeeded on this channel yet. I just post videos about so many different topics that it's really hard for SEO to tell Google that I'm an authority of like a specific thing. I have so many different things, so I'm trying to make it all make sense together and just really lean into that side of myself. Enjoy! The tip of the tongue takes a trip down the palate to the back of the teeth, Lolita. Wow, so freaking cool! So you can actually add captions right in Premiere Pro, which is so crazy. It auto does it, and then you can just edit them. Oh my gosh. We're on like day 4 of posting every day. Wait, that's a lie. Day 3, but I've posted 4 shorts to this YouTube channel. So we're gonna look at the performance and see if we can make any improvements. This first one, what I wore to art class versus what I painted. So that one, I used trending audio. I used the Lizzo sound about darn time. And that one has 3.2 thousand views, my video using that sound. The next day, I posted this video. So, I mean, I honestly thought that was like sufficient. And I think I was kind of trying to test the waters of like how simple of a video I could upload. That one only got 3 views. So that told me, okay, I feel like step-by-step process of getting ready, showing that is interesting to people. So for today's video, which I liked it, but that one only got 5 views. Both that video and the like rainy day really simple video, I didn't use like super trending audio. I just used sounds I liked. I think for tomorrow I will try using a trending sound, see if that makes the videos fare better. This is a really new thing for me, but I've started to love even bad drawings. A lot of bad drawings have to happen in order to get to the place when you can make a good drawing. It's really cool to see if I try to draw the same thing over and over again, how much each consecutive drawing improves. I've been basically living in like Girlfriend Collective bike shorts and sports bras. I've been shopping for them on Poshmark. So cute. I also got these bike shorts a little while ago. I think I paid $20 for these on Poshmark. Shopping on there for brands and the size you know that you are in that brand. Just searching the style name, the size, so easy. You know it's gonna fit you. You know it's something that you love, and it's secondhand, not sponsored. But Poshmark, we should talk. So I was thinking I would end these videos with 3 creators that I've been loving and music that I've been loving lately. My music recommendation is the new Metric album. The first 2 songs aren't my favorite, but then after it, like every single song is a banger. Driving around at golden hour, and I was just like having such a moment, so highly recommend. And then 3 creators I've been loving. The first one is Lee Ellickson. Her content is just goals. Every time she says she's a full-time artist, I'm like, oh, I want that. My other recommendation is Purple Palace. She's actually why I started selling my art prints online. I think she said something in her videos that was like, no one needs to give you permission to like sell your own prints. If you want to do it, just do it. So now I am. You can shop those in the description. And the last one is Moya Mahoney. I hope I got that pronunciation right. Especially love the text overlays she does in her videos. I recently read a really good article about using envy as a path to joy. When you envy someone's style or content, figuring out what about it that is making you envious and what you want to be like or you want to do. So her content is definitely like one of those for me. So make sure you're subscribed for more creative content, more slow fashion content. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day. Bye. I got it. I got it. I got it.